Ladies and gentlemen, last but not least, the artists of the artist chopper gospel them we are around the world. Who want to turn on the phone line? Turn on the phone line. Turn on the phone line. Please help me welcome the one and only Jay Quad. Hold on then.